Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on environmental analysis and diagnosis. So let's start with question number 1. What are the guides to decision making? Option A, rules. B, procedure. C, goals. D, policies. And the correct answer is D, policies. Question number 2. What is the period of long term in strategic thinking? Option A, 1 month to 1 year. B, 2 to 3 years. C, 3 to 5 years. D, more than 5 years. And the correct answer is D, and that is more than 5 years. Question number 3. Strategic management handles option A, external issues. B, management issues. C, internal issues. D, administrative issues. And the correct answer is A, that is external issues. Question number 4. External environment includes A, natural environment. B, political environment. C, demographic environment. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 5. Economic environment is the sum total of A, economic condition in the market. B, economic policies of the government. C, economic system of the country. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Number 6. National income, per capita income, economic development comes under option A, economic condition. B, economic system. C, economic policies. D, economic tools. And the correct answer is A, and that is economic condition. Question number 7. Economic system is divided into A, capitalist. B, socialist. C, mixed. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 8. Dash has the capitalist economy. Your options are A, USA. B, India. C, China. D, none of these. And the correct answer is A, USA. Question number 9. China has the dash economy. A, capitalist. B, socialist. C, mixed. D, none of these. And the correct answer is B, socialist. Question number 10. Which country has the combined features of both capitalist and socialist? Your options are A, India. B, China. C, USA. D, none of these. And the correct answer is A, India. Question number 11. In which type of economy least government control exists? Your options are A, capitalist. B, socialist. C, mixed economy. D, none of these. And the correct answer is A, capitalist. Question number 12. Which of the following comes under internal environment? Your options are A, management philosophy. B, mission and objectives. C, corporate image. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 13. Dash means examination and study of environment of a business unit in order to identify its survival and prosperity chances. The options are A, environmental scanning. B, environmental stealing. C, economic tools. D, economic environment. And the correct answer is A, environmental scanning. Question number 14. SWOT analysis concept is given by A, Albert Humphrey. B, Igor Ansoff. C, William Gluck. D, Schumpeter. And the correct answer is A, and that is Albert Humphrey. Question number 15. Strength and weakness comes under A, internal environment. B, external environment. C, economic environment. D, none of the above. And the correct answer is A, that is internal environment. Question number 16. Business environment is dash in nature. Your options are A, static. B. Dynamic. C. Constant. D. None of these. And the correct answer is B, and that is dynamic. Question number 17. Dash is an favorable condition in the organization's environment which enables it to strengthen its position. Your options are A. Opportunities. B. Threats. C. Strength. D. Weakness. And the correct answer is A, and that is opportunities. Question number 18. Dash is an unfavorable condition in the organization environment that creates a rise for or cause damage to the organization. Your options are A. Threats. B. Opportunities. C. Weakness. D. None of these. And the correct answer is A, that is threats. Question number 19. SWOT analysis is helpful for A. Face competition. B. Identify threats. C. Identify weakness. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 20. Which doesn't come under the strength of the organization? Your options are A. Name recognition. B. Skilled recognition. C. Loyal customers. D. Disappointed suppliers. And the correct answer is D, that is disappointed suppliers. Thank you.